Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stuck on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve stuck on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click here. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first app and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.